Demons follow the bloodline, your bloodline, to enforce curses. And if you stop it, it doesn't go any further. Then your children are free. Whatever you take out, it doesn't transfer over. If not, it transfers. It keeps going because these demons are ruthless. They're familiar, they're family, they're familiar. And that's good enough for them, because then they can say, well, it's legally binding because you are agreeing to it, that you are rejected, that you are ugly, that you are a failure, that you're never going to do anything. Once you are convinced of that, it's easy for them to keep you in that cycle. To stop it, you have to say with your mouth, this is the last day I'm a failure. This is the last day I'm going to not do anything about this. Tomorrow I'm going to do something about it. I'm going to take some courses. I'm going to start improving myself. I'm going to walk out of this. You're going to do something that gets you on a path toward bettering yourself.
Create the shift to your inner child today.